Is your car saying that to replace your key battery soon? Stick around and we'll show you how.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the key fob battery on a 2016 Mazda 6.
I know that it's low, or actually the battery's completely dead because this light, when I push the buttons, that light doesn't come on. There should be a light right there. And also the dashboard of the car is saying that the battery is weak. So now it's a good time to change it. If you're curious how to start your car with the key fob in this condition, either a weak battery or a dead battery, I have another video that I'll link here that you can see that. But the first thing I do to change the battery is I take the physical key out. So push this button down here and then pull the key out. And then if you can see this, there's a groove right here that you want to put something like a screwdriver or something that you can fit in there to just kind of twist it and kind of pop it out, and then do the same thing on the other side. Continue to work down to pop it open. Okay, and if you can see that it says CR2025, that's the size of the battery, which is what we have here, this CR2025. So you take this cover off, and then there's your battery. So you want to take the new battery out of the package and make sure that it says positive side is facing up. So you want to put it in the same way, and you just use your finger to pull that out. Put the new one in, just like that. Okay, once the battery is in the right way, the battery cover on, hold the battery in place, put the back of the key fob back on, just make sure it's lined up. Should pop a few times, and now when we push the button, we should see that button light up, and you see that. All right, and then you put the key back in. And that is how you replace the battery on a 2016 Mazda 6 key fob. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks.